Good morning. Yet another day to maneuver these New York streets. And so yeah, I woke up, ready. It's about 9:30. I'll be heading out for breakfast, and then I also go to the mall. I'll be going to Best Buy, that again, using the train. And then I go to Queen's Center at the mall to go to the Apple store and do a bit of shopping. So the place I'll be going at Best Buy is it's a different place. And yes, yet another day to maneuver these New York streets. I'm so proud of myself for just going on the trains and doing it, you know. Though yesterday it got late and I just came in with a cab. But yeah, did it, guys. I'll be taking you along with me. But first, I'm going to have breakfast at the hotel. I don't even know where that is, but let me get to the reception and then see. Okay. Maybe I should show you my outfit for the day. So yeah, this is my outfit for the day. Yeah, ready to go for the shopping. And I'll be carrying a bag today, so figured out, because I'll be moving around with the camera, it's easy to have this with me. Okay, see you outside. Up for a room tour. Starting with the bathroom. That's the toilet. I think that's pretty decent. Looks clean. And then just right here is the bed. It's a decent place. I think I like it. Yeah, let's see. Those are my bags. Alrighty. That side is just, I think those are other hotels. So from here, I have a 5 minutes walk. Let me just figure out things, and yeah, see you guys later at the store. Yeah, I'm going to Best Buy. So here guys, here we're getting in. Level 2. Just in case you don't know, Best Buy is like an electronics shop. It's almost everywhere in the US. It's just like a mall, I call it like a supermarket. So I'm here to get my nephew a camera, a kid's camera. And yeah, let me explore what's there and see what I'd seen online, and then I'll make a decision. Lucky me, lucky. I'm seeing online they have like a sale. It was $150, now it's going for $130. Okay, I think I could get somebody to help me figure out where it is and make that purchase. Okay, fine.
Oh, yeah, I see. Stand here. I'll be right back.
All right. I'm getting something. Does it have an SD card?
The phone, yeah.
It comes with one?
Yes.
Okay. Like how, I don't know, the space size, trying to see. Okay. 128 GB. I think that's fair enough. Does it really need anything? It has a cover, needs some. I'll take it.
I'll bring you up on this side.
Okay. Let me go to Target. And then I'll figure my way out of here to go to the next mall. That's where the Apple store is. So I don't want to stay here for long. I need to go up to Target. can't use the elevator. I think I have to walk.
Definitely need a smaller pant. Let me see if I can get my size. Let's love it.
MacBook Air 13-inch. Good morning, my good people. So today is the last day I leave New York. It's 6:50 in the morning, and yes, I'm ready to go take that flight. I'll be going via Dubai, but I just have like 2 hours layover. Yeah, you know, my voice is still like sounding like that, like I just woke up. Yeah, just brewed some coffee. I don't know if you can see it there. I brewed some coffee. And yes, since the walk to the subway, where the A train is actually is close, I think I will walk. When I was coming here, I took the cab and it took a lot of time, and I want to be early. I think I would rather struggle with my suitcases because it's just like a 5 minutes walk to get to the air train, and in like 15 minutes time I'll be at the terminal. And yes, I'm so excited to be finally going home. The flight to Dubai is like 12 hours, maybe 12 and a half, and then I have a 2-hour layover. So I'll be getting to Dubai around 7 a.m. Dubai time. and then 2 hours later I'll be departing to Kenya at 10:30 Dubai time, and we'll be landing in Kenya around 2:30 p.m. on Friday. That's the next day. Today is Thursday here in New York. And yes guys, we're doing this, finally going home. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. All right, and let me show you my outfit for the day. So I have this it's a sweatpants. Not sure you can see the whole fit here. There you go. So I have this sweatpants. It's a bit oversized. That's how I like it. I find it comfortable, especially for during the flight. And yeah, that's the top I'm wearing. And I just have the sweater, which matches the sweatpants. I'll be wearing this in case it gets cold in the flight, because you know, AC and stuff. I'll be countering the AC colds in this. So yes guys, and then I'm not sure I'll take you through the journey to the air train with me, because like I have 2 luggage bags and a check-in bag and a laptop bag, or like sort of just a handbag, but they are light, so I think that's why I choose to just walk. They're light. There are 3 bags but very light, so won't be hard for me. And yes guys, it's home time. It's home time. Whew. Okay, so excited. Ooh. Okay, let's get this going. Made it guys, made it through the tough part. I thought it was gonna be tough, but it was so easy working with my suitcases. And yes, now off to the air train. Catch you in a few. So across there is like still another, it's the Long Island Railroad. So that's like a separate track from the subway operating within Queens. Not sure it goes out of Queens, but here that's still another train. And yeah, I think this is like a big station, because this is where the air train meets the subway and meets the Long Island Railroad. Let's show you, could see if I come move closer. This Jamaica station.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
About
Please
to
hold
leave.
on.
Alright, made it through check-in. Now I'm doing that majestic walk of where you just go see your gates and come back, roam around. I don't know, am I the only one who does that? Like, let me go establish where exactly the gate is. Good time, good time. My flight is taking off at around 11:30. Now I can even wear my watch the right way. Impressive. It's 8:20. So yeah, got some couple of hours to burn. I think I'm gonna have now proper breakfast, go to duty free shop, get some perfume. It's a ritual. I do not know, but yeah, get stuff. Oh yeah, and I need a neck pillow. Forgot to buy one outside, so I'm gonna get it here. That flight is long. I'll need that. This right here is the gates and nobody is there. Maybe I could check people in now that I'm early. Yeah. Let me go get breakfast now. Got my breakfast. That's hot. Yes, guys, that's what I'm having. Just settled here. I think we're experiencing a delay for like around 30 minutes. But I'm good, I'm not complaining. get inside. So comfortable. Didn't expect it would be this better. I'm good. Got a window seat.
Please prepare all doors and cross-checking.
In Kenya, the northern part of the country, or to land in a few minutes. I'm so tired. I'm so freaking tired. Never been this tired. I think this is the longest flight I've ever taken. I've been on air for like 17 hours combined from New York to Dubai. My layover was like 1.5 hours. Got everything. We're just walking to the car. There is Alan. And that's my sister. And this is the taxi guy. Our chauffeur for the day.